Well, we're back today for a little update on my basket case. We're going to try to get some of it put back together, like put this cage back on it, and we'll see how well that works. I don't have any help, so it's probably going to be a little difficult. We're going to put it on there. We're going to take the bucket off. We're going to pull the skid steer up to here and see if we can't just lay that on the front of the skid steer and then just pivot it up. We'll see what happens, so stay tuned. Well, let's see what happens here. Turn that on. Turn that on. Bump the throttle. Good runner. That's good. No doubt about that. He's a good runner. Alright. Hey, get out of the way. Come on. Get. All right, we're going to slide that forward, put some bolts through there, and see if we can't pivot that cage all the way up. Hopefully I got the boom high enough out of the way. Well, we'll see. All right, let's see if I can lift this thing by myself. You going to help, Maggie? No, you're not going to help? If you're not going to help, you got to back up. Oh. Oh yeah, she's a heavy one. Oh. Holy Toledos. I might have to use a rope or something to pull it up with the boom. This thing's heavy. Woo! All right. Let's go get some bolts. All right, I got some bolts here. These are the ones that were in there. Let's see if we can't get this hole lined up with the one that's back here. And get a couple of these bolts in there, huh? Oh, geez. Yep, that's heavy. I need the skinnier one. Okay. Yeah. We got that one lined up. All right. Oh, gosh. Got a little bit of dirt in there. Try to push it out of the way. All right. Oh. What are you doing down there, Maggie? Are you helping? Hmm? Now, I don't know if this is going to pivot or not. It might be too long. But we're going to see. We're going to see. If not, I might have to go to the second hole here, up here, and see what happens there. Whew. Well, let's see if this works. Now, this thing is really heavy. I don't know if I can lift this myself. But I'm going to try. Yeah, I don't have any other options, so let's see if this works. You might hear some grunting, but that's okay. Let's see if we can get this to go. Okay. Ready? Oh, geez. Holy cow. Oh, don't drop. Just don't drop. Oh. Hey, that worked. Whew. Whew. That thing's heavy. Oh yeah, mama. All right, let's get some more bolts in here. All right, which way did it go? I'll go this way. Come on, don't drop it. What's going on? It just came off of there. Why won't it thread back on? Are crap in the threads? Well, we'll impact that on here. It'll go. Whether it likes it or not. Those are kind of in. Yeah, they like that. That was it looked easier than it actually was. It was pretty hard, honestly. That's what happens when you work smart and not hard. All right, we'll leave it at this point for now, and we'll get some more bolts. We'll put the side panels in, the fenders. The fenders need a little bit of straightening. So, you know, little by little, baby steps, right? All right, well, I was only able to find 2 more bolts, so just gonna put 2 in right now, because that's all I got. And we'll tighten up the rest of them that are in, and that'll be it for today. And then we'll revisit this as soon as we get the fenders and side guards taken care of. They're all bent and whatnot, so I have to straighten them out. So these are the bolts I found. We'll see how they work. Oh, that hurt. It's a little long, but it'll work for now. I'll have to get all new hardware for this, so everything works as it should, and it's nice and neat and tidy. And these are socket head cap screws, and the rest are just regular hex head bolts. So nice and tight there. And put another one over here. Let's get these couple back ones here. All right, well, those are all tight. It's quite secure. So that's where we're going to leave it for now. Like I said, this is a small update of the skid steer and where it's at on its rebuild process. And there you have it. So now we got the cage on, as you can see. A couple bolts in there. It's secure. I need more bolts, of course. But we'll get the side panels on. And after we get the side panels on, we'll do the wiring for lights and you know, the idiot lights right there, the indicator lights or whatever you want to call them. I believe they still work. I don't know. We'll find out once we power them up. And maybe get some Lexan polycarbonate and put some glass around this to keep the rain off of me. So there you have it. That's where we're at for right now. Like I said before, if you enjoyed the content, click the thumbs up. It's free. Won't cost you a dime. Consider subscribing and share the video. I'm sure there's a lot of people out there who would like to see this kind of stuff. We're always doing something here, so yeah, share the video, and we'll see you on the next one.